This video will describe how we can add rupees symbol in Excel. We already have a dollar and other foreign currency symbol available in cell format, but we don't have any rupees symbol in there. So if we want to add any other symbol apart from already available in there, we have to add it manually in the custom cell format. So stay with me till last and I will show you the easiest way to do it. Now to do this, let's take these values as example. So right click on the cells and go to format cells and then go to custom. Here as you can see we have so many formats already available. So from this list pick the one which shows the amount format, like this one. Usually this format will give us value in cell with separated in decimals with comma. We will use the same format but add rupees symbol as extra text in it. So now we need rupees symbol and that we can easily get it from Google. So go to your browser and search for rupees symbol in Google. From here, copy the symbol as text and then paste it into Excel cell format settings just before the text format. Now the moment you paste it here, it will reflect in sample text. So you can quickly see here the format which you are trying to get in a cell. Now it's all done. You can close this window by pressing OK and then you will be able to see the symbol in your cells. Now because we have added this symbol in a cell format, so it will just be there as a format only. It will not affect any of the formula you might be using. I hope this was useful. If you need any kind of help on this topic to discuss or you may have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's meet next time with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.